like this.
Thank you very much.
Here you
We'll be
go.
in a second.
Take it away, Skylar.
I heard there was a giant flood, but we were washed in Jesus' blood. And you don't really care for my news, do ya? On July the 4th, 2025, the water rose and we went adrift. The baffled king composing hallelujah, 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 hallelujah. Our faith was strong, you showed us love like only God from up above. Your prayers, your hugs, and your love overwhelmed us. We cried, we prayed, we did our share. You clothed us, fed us, brushed our hair, and from our lips we drew the hallelujah, 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 hallelujah. They say the water overcame, but I will never forget their names. No blame, no fault, so really what's it to ya? We are a part of Mystic Herd. We spread His light, His love, His word, the holy and the broken. Hallelujah, 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 hallelujah. We did our best, we left a mark, a light that shines within the dark. I told His truth, I didn't come to fool ya. And even though it wasn't long, we stand before the Lord of songs with nothing on our tongue but hallelujah, 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 hallelujah.
Wow.
Wow. Awesome job.
So great. Skylar.